Arpita. We do a lot of fun colors. Our collection is mainly colors and prints. Like that's what makes us fun and happy. We really like tie and dye and stuff. So we work with them. Tie and dye also. So yeah. And we do a few accessories like the one that she's wearing right now.
I'm Hasya Chandna. My brand name is Casimir by Hasya Chandna. And my collection is about the woman, the bold woman of today who dares to dress up in something which, like my collection is all about digital prints and they're abstract prints. So it's not something a very simple person can carry. Somebody, who really dares to, dress up. So I have a few pieces which have a lot of different kind of embellishment. Like there's a lot of metal embellishment and so it's different. It's like a mix of a lot of things. But again, as you said, they merge together very well.
Hi, I'm Anika, and my name is also called Anika. I've been in this business for the past decade now, and I love making clothes. It's been a passion since the very beginning. I dabble into almost everything. I do a lot of tunics, a lot of evening gowns, a lot of trousseau wear. Basically, it's like a complete solution for a woman to come to. If you're having a wedding in, say, Goa, you can find beautiful maxi dresses. If you're having a wedding in Jaipur, you'll find really nice, traditional kurta sets, very nice lehengas as well. So what I strive for is to get richness in whatever I make. My garments are all used with natural fabrics like silks and cottons. I really don't like using any polyesters or unnatural fabrics. It has to spell richness, it has to be beautiful, it has to feel nice. And the whole thing is a woman should feel very beautiful when you wear clothes. So that's what I strive for.
Hi, I'm Aarti from Taxi and we're on missmalini.com to tell you about Arna, bags and clutches and Taxi designs slippers, and we've also got a range of clothes right there. So we got a little literal here. So we got like a taxi tunic, which is really fun. Basically it's inspired by street art, like she was a taxi and a scooter, and we got cycles, and we got elephants, and that's just a small part of it, and butterflies. So Karishma designs all the, she custom makes bags as well as you can buy them off the shelf. She uses a lot of, she's crazy about hearts and stars. And yeah, and butterflies. I love butterflies too. Yeah, and then we have cats, dog. She can also custom make you things with your name cut out in the fabric. Or basically whatever you want. We've got some cool laptop bags also now, which is quite a range. Again, the shoes are all very kitsch and fun, so these do really well. These are machine embroidered mismatched slippers, which also do really well for us. And it's just basically a lot of fun. So if you like color and you like, pop art, you love Taxi and everything.
Hi, my name is Shubhika and my brand is called Papa Range, and you're watching me on missmalini.com. It's very free flowing. The colors are really bright and it's very easy to wear and easy fits. Just put it on and just short kind of thing. And also the influences are mostly very military, like a lot of chains and the trims and the finishing up. We also do a little bit of Indian wear.